But sir, he gets some CEOs for this country who don't acknowledge, and the thing they vex me. How many of them know say people won't get mortuary, they'll be CEO? Now, can you imagine say that they recognize those set of people as the man you enter? Wait till the end now. That's the CEO, fast rising mortuary, I see you. The man was put Nigerian mortuary on the map, I see you. Sir, you can imagine say CEO of a mortuary spray you, my brother, like that you do.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes, the very good bad guys.
On a good evening. Yeah, in case you don't know, we just have 364 days left for this year, 2026, to be over. What have you achieved? Now, waiting one motivational speaker tell me for us that they are betting a bastard. Papa, I had to look many of Nana. And so now they set on a New Year resolution. New year, new me. That's why they need to ban crossover night for Nigeria. One guy went sit down with me for church yesterday, and I saw the guy, they cry. Say, God, if I enter 2026, I will not go back to who I used to be. The guy, they cry. As 12 sharp. Now the guy shake me, say, congratulations. Now he hug me, he come out. And I know say this guy thief my phone, I don't know. I know say God go shock for heaven, go be like, Osan, na. If you see next year, change my name. Baba, me they ban down. Osato come up for us yesterday morning now. He said they go cross over night, now they want to arrange chair. From that time till now, Osato never enter us. Osato just a crossover from one hotel to another. Hold on. And I don't get issue with you now. Now the boys me get issue. Benin man, no. As everybody they crossover yesterday, they praise God. Benin man, you're there as the other hooks. The other ashawo. Now you ordering ashawo not be my business, oh. You the other ashawo come your house. You see they use church as landmark to describe your house. What do they hear now? Watch oh. If they call ashawo, hello ashawo, you don't reach winners. You're been past that Catholic church. Wait for me for that symbol when they drop Pastor Chris. Baba! All this, man. No! And guess this period, they get now. Wait till women, you they do now, Bini guess. They post to, they don't know before they write thanks for today. Though you go TikTok, see one fanboy post now for status, thanks for today, baby, you made my day. Now so Satote post one boy, no say the boy don't die last week.
Where them day?
Now police they look for Osato. Where you see Osao? Baba, the one way still ready for them now. Sir, as I see you see John Best now, as woman see you, Bini girl you see you. Because you know say you get money, go you tell you. Anything she ask you, you give her. One girl, she now ask question. Out of everybody for Benin, she go tell me. She tell me with 250,000 last month. Now this morning she dey complain, give me say she regret ever telling me. Now to tell me, Obo say me brief 500,000.
One man begin.
Since morning they beg me I borrow money to tell me we die here, baby, I love you. Hey, Baba. Benin girls too get now this period though. The other one Benin girl from Benin to Lagos now. She said no, she not fit use road. She na flash she want use. Chief sent the girl 500,000 to and fro. Now this morning we hear say the girl Osato get accident for Ore. Now we go meet her. How? Sure you say na flight you want use. Fear Benin girl, she not deny. He said na flight they use now the aeroplane for. Where the aeroplane, I say they don't turn and come out. Baba, Nothing Benin girls not do. And one thing why I still dey talk about this country, if we want to make this country better, I feel they talk saying that from our leaders. If our leaders feel value life, this country will do all right. Just imagine say, yeah, now you both gathering. One woman, your day back with a dog. A dog, your faint. You know what they hear? 3 people, you come outside. They talk, who is a doctor? Yeah, who is a doctor? Yeah, for dog, oh. 3 people, you come outside. One say, I'm a doctor, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital in New York, a veterinarian. Another dog come outside. My name is Kate Henshaw, a veterinarian, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital for dog, oh. Before you know, they'll do some paramedics activities, make the dog stay alive before they carry and go hospital. But if the dog can get some respiratory disorder and not feel breathe well, they'll do surgical operation there. You hear, is there any sharp object? Is there any sharp object? Before you know it, they'll cut out the esophagus, bring out the trachea, come outside, make for breathe well, abi. They nod their head as if what I talk correct. Agba. Mama surgeon. A parono, she dey cut neck, oh.
All the Google things what they do for the niggas, I run am for heaven.
But where your forte know say we men for Nigeria will not like each other. That one na for Oyibo. You know say if these 2 men you're there like this, one you vomit. For the other to ask and say, what's the issue? Is there any problem? You go your jump. Baba na hafa na. The only thing where we care about this country na erection. Imagine say this guy now you're the talk say, sorry, if one man now you're the talk say, I dey quick come oh, I know the 3 people from back or you come outside will not be doctor, will not be conductor, you waka. Go say, you dey quick come. You don't try dirty water and mango seed. And another thing I not like what they do for Benin here. Now, this is casino game of jokes. First of all, man, help me clap for casino. Yeah, for putting me on this platform for the first time. Yeah, it's not easy. Always say he lodge all the other comedians for better hotel. Hotel where he lodge me, if I lock door, TV go off. If I want shower, the room go the shock. Yeah, I was saying this. I said the only thing why I don't observe for Nigerian comedians now, if casino come now, you'll see I say you go they acknowledge CEOs. You say that's the CEO, John Baez, that's the CEO, you go they acknowledge CEOs. But sir, he gets some CEOs for this country who don't they acknowledge, and the thing they vex me. How many of them know say people won't get mortuary, they'll be CEO? Now, can you imagine say that they recognize those set of people as the man you enter? Wait till the end now. That's the CEO, fast rising mortuary, I see you. The man was put Nigerian mortuary on the map, I see you. Sir, you can imagine say CEO of a mortuary spray you, my brother, like that you do.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for fun.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.